Hello, everyone. Welcome to CBS cooking class. For today, we're making individual pizzas. Um, let's go grocery shopping.
Okay, so $2.49. And then how much is the red onion right there? Oh, that's correct. Yeah.
What toppings do you want to get? Okay.
Pineapple.
Ew.
Pineapple, chipotle cheese.
Alright. Okay, resounding yes on the. What about stuff from here, from the veggie aisle? Hey, I like where your head's at, pizza. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, we're at $7.57.
So our ingredients contains muffins, red Prego sauce, mushrooms, red onion, mozzarella cheese, bell pepper, pepperoni, ground beef, and pineapples. Now, here we have our ingredients. You can use some or all of it for your pizza. Alright, first off, bell peppers. We're gonna dice these up nice small, safety first, so here's one deal. Always use a cutting board, hold your peppers steady, and curl your fingers like a bear claw to keep them safe. No accidental pepper fingers today. Start by cutting off top and bottom, then stand it up and slice down the sides. That way, the seeds stay in the middle and you don't have a pepper explosion all over your counter. Then just chop it up into little pieces. Boom, bell peppers, diced and danger free. Next up, onions. And yes, they might make you cry, but don't take it personally. It's just onion science. Same safety rules as before. Keep those fingers tucked in. First, cut up the top, but leave the root in on and helps hold everything together. Then slice the onion in half and peel off the papery skin. Now make a few slices across. Turn it and chop it up into little squares. And if your eyes start watering, just tell everyone you're emotionally invested in this pizza. Time to cook some sausage. Heat up a pan on medium, toss in the sausage, and break it up with the spatula. Keep stirring so it cooks evenly. No one wants a half raw, half burnt sausage situation. When it's all brown and smells amazingly, it's ready. Just scoop it into a plate and let it cool. Now for mushrooms. These are super easy. Just slice off the stems if you don't want them. Then chop the mushrooms into little pieces. Mushrooms shrink when they cook, so don't worry if they look big now. They're basically the magic trick of pizza toppings. And now, last but not least, pineapple. If your can has a pull tab, great. If not, grab a can opener, click it on, and twist it around until the lid pops off. Just be careful. Those edges can be sharp. Once it's open, drain the juice and you're good to go. And hey, whether pineapple belongs on pizza or not, we're not here to judge much.
And then you're going to start turning.
And just like that, our toppings are ready. Nice job, everyone. Now let's get to the fun part, putting it all together. Alright folks, it's pizza time. We're starting with this biscuit dough. Yep, the kind that comes in a tube. If you've ever popped one of these open, you know it's basically a mini jump scare. But once it's open, take a piece and flatten it out with your hands. No rolling pin needed. Just give it a little pat, stretch, and boom, personal pizza just crust, ready to go. Next up, the sauce. Grab a spoon, scoop some on, and spread it around. Not too much, or you'll have a pizza puddle instead of a pizza party. Leave a little space at the edges for the crust because, you know, science. Now for the best part, cheese. Sprinkle it all over like you're a pizza wizard, casting a delicious spell. Mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you like. Just remember, there's no such thing as too much cheese, unless your pizza collapses under the weight, and even then, worth it. Time to make it your own. Load up those toppings: pepperoni, veggies, sausage, pineapple if you dare. Want to make a face with your toppings? Go for it. A smiley face pizza just tastes better. Trust me. Alright, carefully place your pizzas on baking sheet. Give them a little space. Nobody likes a pizza traffic jam. Now, into the oven they go. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and bubbly. About 10 to 15 minutes. And yes, waiting is the hardest part. But hey, good things come to those who wait and don't touch hot ovens. Alright, let's let these babies bake. Next up, time to eat. Well, thank you so much, very much for attending to our individual pizzas. And now you know how to make those. So hope to see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.